Traders, listen closely. Telcoin is at one of those critical moments where one single candle can decide whether we bounce hard to the upside or completely break structure and melt to the downside. This is the kind of setup where discipline and patience separate winners from emotional traders. Most people get trapped here because they rush the entry, but you're not going to make that mistake after this breakdown. So as you can see, we are on Telcoin again for the second time, and if you missed our previous analysis, you can always check the link in the description. In that previous breakdown, I mentioned that we had a strong support level that has been respected multiple times. Every time the price tapped into that zone, it pushed back up with strength, proving that buyers were actively defending that area. I also said that if Telcoin comes back into this support, we look for a buy. But if it breaks below it, we wait for the retest and sell. And now look at what has happened. Price came aggressively into this support zone and tried to break below it, but it failed. Instead of breaking, it printed weak candles and immediately pulled back inside the zone. When a level refuses to break even after strong pressure, that is a major sign of strength. It tells us this zone is not just any level. It's a true key level that the market respects. Right now, price is sitting directly on that same support level. And this is where things get really interesting. If this candle closes and gives us any bullish formation, a rejection wick, a bullish engulfing, even a strong reaction candle, then that becomes a clean buying opportunity from this zone to the upside. But if the market does the opposite and finally breaks below this support with a clear, strong candle, everything flips instantly. That means buyers are stepping away, sellers are taking control, and this support becomes a resistance. In that scenario, we become patient and wait for the retest of the zone. If the retest shows bearish confirmation, we sell from there straight to the downside. Here's the market psychology behind this setup. Support zones that hold multiple times usually trigger fear in sellers and confidence in buyers. That's why you often see hesitation and weak candles when price touches them. But once a strong break happens, that same confidence flips into panic. Traders who were buying earlier start closing positions, fueling even more selling movement. This is exactly why reacting to confirmation is more important than predicting. The chart will tell you which side wins. So in summary, Telcoin is sitting on a strong support level that has been respected multiple times. If price respects this level again, we buy. If price breaks below with strength, we wait for the retest and sell. Now the big question is, what do you think, traders? Will Telcoin bounce from this support once again? Or are the sellers preparing to break it and take full control of the market? Let me know in the comments. All right, traders, that is all on Telcoin for today. Until then, trade safe. Stay disciplined, and I will see you in the next video.